little mishap, y'all. The Volkswagen was catching on fire inside. So about to weld the second wing on. We'll see if we can not have any fire going on. So we're gonna try not to burn a hole in the top on this one. So there'll be a part 1 and part 2, y'all. We had to run and get the water hose on the first round. Look at that full moon. We had to put some water in it. Oh, right there. Nearly done, and the only other thing we got to do is paint it now. If anybody wants to have a paint party in 40-degree weather, come on out. Y'all have seen it out here when it's green, but it's, of course, wintertime now, and the grass needs to be mowed. It's dead. The yard, leaves are missing. I think it was this time last year that it snowed about 6 inches. Remember that video? Remember, y'all? The painting of it should be easy though, hopefully. I think we need some eyelashes on it though, right there. These are the crazy things, y'all, that I can think of. Not even just jewelry stuff, but you only live once. There it is, y'all. They're solid.